Hello everyone, welcome to eRobo Lab. So today we're gonna learn how to create make automations in machine learning kits tool. So let's go begin. First of all, open the Chrome, click the URL, type here machine learning kits. Machine learning kits. After typing, you can see the first link is machine learning kits and you can see this is the interface like of machine learning kits. Okay, then for the or machine learning starts. So you just first try without registering. So try it now. Click here and after that you can see click the plus button on the right to create your first project. For our project is automations on machine learning. So click the first, go to the right and click here add a new projects and give the project name. Type here the project name is automation. So automations and recognitions will be is text. I am choosing here text. You can choose as per your choice. So I am choosing text and language will be I am putting English. So I am not changing any here. So then you just come here to the right side here. So this is C create button and click on them the create button. After that you can see our project name and the recognitions will be in text will be appear here. After that you have to be click on them and you can see here they they say the three step of machine learning here. First is train of your machine, then learn and test of your projects, and third is make. So first we have to be click here the train for the collect example of what you want the computer to recognize. So click here. So train or project. So click it train and after that you can see click on the plus button on the right to add your first bucket. See this is the right sides and add a new label. So click it here the label name will be a I'm putting some examples of fan on. First label I am choose my is fan on. You can choose as per your choice, but here I am choosing the fan on the and go again the right side and add a new label. Click here and take new label again and putting the label's name here fan off. Type here the fan off. Second I am just selecting the label name is fan off. So after enter the names click here the right add and add the label here. So as you can see my both label are adding on this page. So our next step will be come to the down and see this is the add example. So clicking here for the text example we want. So click here and text here if you want to your fan off. So clicking some text of fan on like this and added fan on and again you just click add some example of text and again you write the some example. So you can see I'm just taking some text example of fan on. First fan on, fan off. Please turn on the fan. It is hot. Switch on the fan. Turn on the fan. So another over the fan off also you have to be do the same examples text added. So add the example or added text here fan off like this add. Again you click here, add the example and adding the fan of it is hot, it is cold like this word, like this sentence. You can choose as per your choice. I am choosing here as per my choice. What is the reason to turn your fan off? You just give the text reason example. So added here As you can see, I am adding the some text example on fan of bucket also. So fan on bucket I am adding the this text example, and fan of I am adding the this text example here. Or over the next step will be come to the upsides and see this is the back to project. Click on them, and after train or project or next step will be learn and test. So use the example to train the computer to recognize test. So have to be test, learn and test. So you can see I'm just giving the six example of fan on and the five examples of fan off. For and the next step is train new machine model. Click on them. It taking a few minutes to train over a model. At least 30 to 35 seconds. Our train model will be trained here. As you can see, our train is completed. Now the our next step is come to upper size and see this is the back to projects. So click it. After learn and test, our next step is make. To use the machine learning model, you have to train to make a games or app in Scratch, Python, Edu Blocks or App Inventor. So today I am doing in Scratch. So click on the Mac and click this one, this Scratch 3 to see, and come to the upsides, open in Scratch 3. See, after this is the interface of Scratch 3 as you know. So after that you just click this project temples and choose this one and choosing the smart classroom, this one. You can see smart classroom easy. So click on them. You can see our smart classroom interface will be appear here. So our first project is, so you just come here in your right side and you can see this is the fan, and here you have to be describe recognize what you want. So first our step is blocks, using the blocks and code. So first you just go on variables and click it, sorry, come here the event blocks and choose when. Click it when I want to be, when I click it the green flag to perform my code. So I'm choosing here the events when I click it. And after that, or the next step will be go to the sensing and choose this one, ask block and put here. After that, our next step will be what do you ask, what do you want to ask. Click here, erase this and type what you want. So type here what do you want to do. So type here what do you want to do. After that, you go on control blocks and choose this one, if and then blocks, and put here. And then our next step will be go on this automations machine learnings. So choose this recognize text and click here. After that you just choose this fan on and click it here. Then you just go on operators block and choose our operator and put here, sorry, put this operates here and choose this one of operate and put here, and this recognize text will be put here and this fan on text will be put here. After that we just choose this and click it here because we want to be perform over a code. So and then you just do the green flags, go and see what output will be show. So they asking what do you want to do. I want to do B will be my fan on. So click it and type here the fan on. Let's see what output will be show. As you can see, I'm type here the fan on and let's see our results. You can see my fan is on. So next step is a fan off. For that also you have to be just choose some block. So for the fan off also we just do this same process. So I'm just duplicated this and put here and you just so duplicate from here and like this. I'm just duplicate it and drag it here. So here I'm just choosing the fan off. So also you go the automations and choose this one the fan off block and put here and putting this fan off and you just delete this one. You just not need delete this one and after that we will see what output will be show. What do you want? I want to my fan off. The fan is then not moving. So you can see the fan is not move here. If I erase the fan will be move here. Again I'm show you. So this is the example in machine learning. Use the Open Scratch 3 automations fan off and on I'm taking. You can take any of them. So I hope you like it my video. Thank you so much for watching us.